you are thinking about a safe, besides a strong box, reliable mechanism, what other qualities will pop up in your mind? Let me introduce our IOT version safe today. It will help to protect your property safer, easier, and smarter. Black frosted surface treatment is easy to blend in any circumstance. You could secure the safe to the wall or floor. Removable foot pads will protect the cabinet and help to transport easily. We provide 2 different models for you to choose, fingerprint and passcode, and 2 different sizes are available. You could also open the safe with your app or Amazon Alexa. Alexa, unlock my bedroom safe.
What is the password?
1, 2, 3, 4.
The bedroom safe is unlocked.
Two strong bolts are built to lock the door. 4 AA batteries will last 4 to 6 months. Low battery alert will send to your phone automatically. Keys and micro USB cable are also included for emergency use. If you are in danger, you could enter the passcode and press the little house icon. In this scenario, your family can get the warning in their app immediately. Any suspicious vibration will trigger the alarm. You will receive the alert on the gateway and your phone. Besides the app, our gateway will also receive all the alarms. This double safeguard makes your life safer, easier, and smarter. More different functions are waiting you to unveil. We'll try our best to meet all your expectations. Support and join us now.